Mr. Mr. Abhishek Gupta, we welcome you here. Please come.
Abhishek Gupta, the student coordinator. In 1 month, he exhibited his leadership quality. He's so sincere, punctual, and he is a role model for other students. I am really proud of Abhishek Gupta. Because of his successful completion of internship, we are issuing this certificate as well as the Supreme Court Rules 2013. Please give him a big applause, dear friends. God bless you, dear. This is Supreme Court Rules 2013. This is a special gift recognizing your hard work, dedication, punctuality. Thank you. Thank you. Abhishek Gupta, how did you enter this internship program and what have you learned? Your message should reach all the law students in this country and they should know how much you have learned from this internship. Thank you. Name, college name? Yes.
Good evening, sir. My name is Abhishek Gupta and I'm from Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies.
Go slowly. Yes.
Currently, I'm in fourth year of my BBLLB curriculum. I got a reference from one of my cousin sisters to get an internship opportunity under Dr.P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir. And she told me that you will have a wonderful experience there and you will learn a lot of things also there. And exactly I found that what she said was here. Sir taught us very well, not only legal aspect but also the aspect also. The preambles teaching and the Vivekananda ji's and Lord Buddha's teaching were very helpful for me to get a clarity on the life role and how should I behave and how should I focus on one thing. Then sir also helped me in legal aspect. He helped me in publishing in he helped me to uh, he like he assisted me very much to gain knowledge and to get more information on how the Supreme Court works and how the legal system works in here. As this was my first internship here, so the overall experience was very good. I saw that judges were very humble and they respect time a lot. What sir also conduct AOR classes, and there when I went I saw that many senior advocates were coming and they were also having an inspiration to become an AOR. So that was also a very guiding light for me to see that learning is not constant, like learning is not stagnant but it is a constant process, and I'll have to learn throughout my life. So I'll thank sir that he gave me such a wonderful opportunity. The environment was very friendly. Moreover, Vikas sir, Farooq sir, Monica ma'am, everyone was very friendly and supportive. They helped me very much. The sir's nature was very joyful and very like supportive. So that I could easily learn and understand all the concept. The time here I spent is very less. I would like to join again and spend more time. And thank you, sir. Thank you for such a great
Tell
opportunity.
us about your co-interns also.
Sir, everyone is very good, like Gulnaz, Prashant, Amin, Ridhima, Nikhil. Everyone is like, we did the work. Himanshi not present here, but she also held a lot in the book we were preparing for sir. Everyone is great, and I had a wonderful opportunity
Very good.
being here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. Though he was referred through a common friend, but he also gave an interview. I have assigned him interview questions. He gave his interview somewhere in the month of November itself to have his internship confirmed in the month of January. 2 months before he has done it. Secondly, because of his hard work, because of his dedication, he was made as the student coordinator. He has coordinated with all the students, and he was very punctual. And whenever I have assigned him any work with respect to the legal research on various topics, or he has helped me in upcoming book with respect to advocate on record examination, he has worked very long hours also, and with prompt he always replied. And in the court proceedings, he attended keenly and made notes. He also helped me, or he has made certain research on mediation aspects to understand the alternative dispute resolution mechanism. And every week we deliver advocate on record aspirants academy, delivers lectures. He has also made several research on those landmark judgments. Collectively, he is one of the best, and he will remain as a role model for all other students. And he has got a beautiful team of co-interns from Nikhil, Amin, Prashant, Ridhima, Gulnas, and other associates also. They are very, very helpful. He did not only did internship with me, but also did internship with others. He has a very cordial relationship with other senior associates there. Mr. Amar Kumar Raizada sir, my associate, esteemed associate Vikas Kumar sir, my associate Mr. Sheikh Farooq Basha Bashmiya sir. So as a team, we are all working together towards what? If you ask a question, towards what? What is the goal? Preamble our goal, preamble our soul. So I request each one of you to recite preamble along with me, and this will create awareness among the people of India that it is our own commitment that we created preamble, and it is we that we need to live up to the expectation of the preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Dear friends, preamble our identity, preamble our unity, preamble our dignity, preamble our divinity, preamble our commitment, preamble our sentiment. So, preamble our goal, preamble our soul. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.